Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress locally on your computer with DesktopServer. The first thing you've got to do is go to their website, serverpress.com, and download the software. There's this big red button here at the right top corner where it says free download, and you click on that. They will ask you to put in your email address and you'll get some valuable information there. I ignored it the first time I tried it, and I had to call for support to get help. So once you do that, you install it on your computer. And then if you're on a Mac, you might find that it's kind of hidden because it's in the applications folder, but it's under XAMPP, XAMPP. You see it right here. And you got to go into that folder to see the desktop server. And this folder is interesting because over here is where you're going to put blueprints, or you're going to put versions of WordPress that you might want to, perhaps if you're testing something, you might want to add an older version of WordPress and install that instead of the newest WordPress version. That desktop server will let you do that. So let's go ahead and open up desktop server. And okay, here we go. I don't see anything that I need. Maybe the admin color bar, that might be interesting. Um, okay, your user and password. And desktop server will give you an option here to create a new development website. Um, I don't like to do the triple W, I just do test site dev.dev.cc. Um, you want to use the next version that's here. You don't want to use, if you use the latest blueprint, what you will get, the desktop server will give you a specific user and password that's in the welcome email, um, and then you can get it through that. But if you want to specify your own information, you just choose the one that's in the list. If you think if there's a newer version of WordPress, you download it and you can put it in that blueprint folder that I showed you, and that will help you get the newest version. Okay, let's create this site. Okay, creating database. All right. Okay. Okay, now we get choose a language, my site title. When I'm just using it on my local computer, I use a weak password, and use confirm of weak password. You click on your email and then you install WordPress. Okay. There you go. Now you can log in, and it's really that easy to set it all up. Okay, and it's telling me there's a newer version. You can download the newest version and put it on the blueprints there. And let's see the site. There you go with the 2020 theme, and you're all set. You can also you can every time you go to your site, you have to start it or stop it with the desktop server. So you have to launch the application, and you can remove or copy or move an existing website like it says here. Now, one of the nice things about the premium version of Desktop Server is that, well, the free version only gives you 3 sites, but the premium version has something called the deploy. I don't remember the exact term, but it's like instant deploy, I think, and you can deploy your website directly from Desktop Server to your hosting. Now, I've tried it with SiteGround and I've tried it with DreamHost, and it works fabulously. With the managed WordPress WordPress hostings like WP Engine or Flywheel, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So you got to be aware of that. And that's it. Thank you for watching.